Kavita, you're watching the Kavi's vlog. If you're new to this channel, I make food, fashion, lifestyle, beauty related contents on my channel. And if you guys like to watch these kind of videos, please hit that subscribe button and also bell notification right next to it. Select all options so that you'll notified whenever I come up with a new video. So today in this video, I'm gonna show you what I got from Zivame in this festive season. So there was a Diwali sale going on in Zivame. So I got a lot of pajama or else nightwear suits. So without any further ado, let's get started. Sorry for the background noise. If you hear any background music, background sound, please ignore that. Just concentrate on the video. This video is gonna be great. First one which I'm gonna show you is this pajama set, which is green in color. They have pockets either of the side. You can see there is a pockets also. And it's in a cotton blend material. I hope it's a blend material because it's kind of silky in my hand. And I haven't owned this. I've owned other two, but I haven't owned this one yet. And they also provided elastic waistband, which is so comfortable to wear. And I mean the size medium. So I'm in the size medium in this. It fits me a little bit loose. I got it because I wanted it to be very comfortable and it should be loose for me. And anything which is baggy, I love it. I wear it anywhere and everywhere. So I got this in the size medium. See, there's a lot of print going on, which is very cute. I felt overall this material and everything, the pajama material is very good. Let me come to the top wear. This is how the top wear looks like. By the way, I'm gonna insert the model picture right here somewhere in the display so that you'll get an idea how the pajama set looks like. This is how the pajama set looks like, the top wear. And size, you can see I'm in the size medium. I also have a tag tuck in. So this is originally cost for rupees 1695 rupees, and it comes with the sleepwear pajama set. I'm gonna insert the original price also in the somewhere in the description box or else in the display. You can check it out. I'm gonna link all the products in the description box. You can check it out. If you want, you can take. And the same print and same. It's like a coordinate. You'll get same print all over it. You can see we have buttons in front of it. Cool. I feel very good. And we also have a pockets in this also. Anything which has pockets, I am done. Like I am going to buy that. Whichever has pockets, I just blown away and I just take that. Second thing which I'm going to show you in this haul is this pajama set right here, which is in the purple, very dark purple color. And it also provided with the waistband and tying thing. And at the bottom of the pant, they've also provided the lace like this, which is very cool. Then only you will get a proper pajama set look on you. So this is also same cotton material which I've already owned and tried it out. It will not fade the color and it is overall nice material, as well as it is a cotton. This is not blend. First one which I showed you is a cotton blend, but this is a pure cotton. I'm gonna share all the material as well as all the details about the product in the description box. The next thing which I'm going to show you is this top wear, which looks like this, the same color, which has a pocket, and I'm in the size medium. You can see and it also have a buttons all over it, and the sleeves are full sleeves, which are very plus point. You know, in this winter season you need something comfortable cotton and also full sleeves tops because of it's very cold outside. And this is also same material, which is a cotton material, and it is very comfortable and soothing, and it also look very good. You can wear outside also. Thing which I'm going to show you in this haul is my favorite yellow pajama set. Look at the print, you guys. It has let me show you bottom wear first. It also got an elastic band, which is a plus point, and also the tying thing. And at the bottom, they have not provided any sort of lace or anything, but the overall print is very good. It has a cupcake all over it, and it also says Bliss. Is also very good. It is also a cotton material which I've already worn it today, and I felt very good, very comfortable, very soothing material for this winter season. I think this is the best option, and the overall I really like this one a lot because of the print. And the top wear looks like this is how the top wear looks like. I also have a tag right here. Let me tell you the original price of this. The original price of this is 1595 rupees, and it comes with the top as well as bottom. It's a sleepwear pajama set, and I'm in the size medium in all of this. The all of the things which I'm going to show you in this haul is all are in the size medium. So I will be mentioning all the original as well as the sale price in the display itself. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you know what to do. You have to hit that like button and also subscribe button and also bell notification right next to it. If you like any pajama set in this haul, comment your favorite pajama set in the comment box, and also share with your friends, which is informative, and let them also get to know how Zivame and the product is. Until the next video, bye.